Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel ZTech. My name is Barry Allen and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get affordable proxies. So let's go to this website proxyseller.com. After coming here, all what you have to do, you have to buy a plan for you. So first of all, let me show you my personal dashboard so that I can log in my account into it and I can show you how it works. As you can see guys, my total balance is $5 right now. So I will use this balance to show you how you can purchase proxy by this balance after depositing amount in your account. Okay, so let me show you first how you can deposit amount into your account. All what you have to do, you have to click on the deposit options and you can deposit a minimum of $5. So I have clicked on it and I have chosen USDT TRC20 as a payment method. So it has given me a expiration time of 1 hour. I have to make a payment in this prescribed time. So this is a simple process to deposit amount into your account. Beside that, you have another option to deposit amount into your account, which is card. So you have to select your country here, and like this you can deposit money into your account via card as well. So I will type my postcode here, and as you can see, we can pay via Apple Pay as well as PayPal, and the most demanding option, which is card option, also available in this website. So let me show you other services of this great website. As you can see, we can get proxies of many types here. As you can see, we can buy proxies of IPv5 as well as residential and ISP proxies. If you wanna buy ISP proxies or residential proxies, it's the best site for them because most of my subscribers do work with residential proxies. So I will use, as you can see, there are many options available in this website and it is one of the most distinct feature of this website. You can buy proxy for a dedicated program or dedicated social media account. Okay, all what you have to do, you have to click here and you have to choose your proxy. So now let's go to the proxy page and let me buy a residential proxy to show you how it works. So I'm gonna buy a small plan which is pay as go, in which they will give us a bandwidth of Okay, let's buy a plan. I'm gonna go with my balance because I have available a balance of $5 into my account. I will select my balance and I will buy this plan, which is 1 GB. Let's wait for it. As you can see, thank you for the payment. They will activate our proxies under 3 minutes. So let's wait for it and let's move to the second screen. Now I am on the second page to create a proxy according to my needs. I'm gonna go with the United States. You can choose any country that you want according to your needs. So I will click on create option. After selecting, it's loading, we have to wait for it. Now as you can see, my proxy has been created instantly. So I will check the details of it and then I will download it to log in. Here you have to follow a step. All what you have to do, you have to go to the Play Store, App Store, or if you are using a Windows or MacBook, you can download any app that supports to log in a proxy. You have to download that app, right, and then you have to log in like this. I'm using Proxy because I like that app very much and I believe Proxy is one of the best app to use a proxy. So I will click on this link so that I am able to download this. I'm gonna go to my downloads and here you can see, here are my proxy login details. All what you have to do, just create a proxy, download Proxy app and you can just log in it. So let's go to the Proxy app. Okay, I will enter the proxy manually. I will select source file. Then I will enter all the details. Now let's connect the proxy and let's go to this site to check whether our proxy is working or not. So let me open this site and let me show you whether it's working or not. You can use the same site to check your proxies whether they are working.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that.
As you can see guys, my IP address has been changed to the country that has been created by us into the proxy website. Now I will open another website to confirm whether our proxy is working properly or not. So I'm gonna go to the site which is what is my IP address. So let's see whether this site works or not. I will click on the first website and check it whether my proxy is working.
Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going
As we are opening it for the first time, that's why the proxy is little slow.
mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like
Now here you can check as well, my proxy is working properly. This is the server that we have selected, so thank you so much. You can use this website, this is very good.